Okay, so here we have a BMW X20 wiring connector. This is the kind of connector you'd find in the engine bay of an E36. If for some reason you want to repin this, because this is the bodyside connector, and say you wanted to do an engine conversion, or you wanted to put your E36, M50 or M52 into an E30 engine bay, but you don't want to butcher the loom, you can cut this out of the bodyside loom on the E36 in the engine bay and take it out. Now, if you want to repin the connector, obviously you need to start moving these pins. BMW sell a specific pin removal tool. It's quite expensive. It's pretty pointless to buy it if you just want to repin it once. And these connectors are quite easy to repin without having to have that tool. So all you need to do is, I don't know if you can see, but in the middle of this connector is this ring. This is a locking ring. And there's little spiky bits up inside it, which are locking tabs. So all you need to do is take a flat-bladed screwdriver and rotate the ring. Now where there are these two notches, hope you can see the two notches, you need to slide that little spiky bit into the next notch. So by doing that, the way to do that is to take the ring and turn it in an anti-clockwise fashion. So you wedge the screwdriver in and turn, and it's pretty hard to do. It's not the easiest thing in the world. And it clicks about 10 degrees in. That ring's unlocked, and that means the pins are unlocked. So now just take some needle nose pliers, pick a pin, twist and pull up slightly, and then push down quite hard, and the pin will just pop out. And you can do that for all of the pins in the connector. So some are a little tougher than others. There you go, and now you've got the pins out with the little shroud and everything, so you can do whatever you'd like and repin the connector. When you're finished, you could put the pin back in, like that, feed it in from the bottom, pull it up from the top, and then you turn that ring back to lock it, which I'm not going to do right now because I actually do want to repin this connector. Turn the ring back to lock it, and you're all set.